Google drops Gemma 4, released April 2, 2026 by Google DeepMind. 4 models built from Gemini 3 research. Apache 2 license, full commercial freedom. The 31B dense model ranks number 3 globally among open models. The model family, E2B, 2.3 billion active parameters out of 5.1 billion total, designed for smartphones and IoT devices. E4B, 4.5 billion active out of 8 billion total, targets Raspberry Pi and edge devices. 26B mixture of experts, only 3.8 billion active from 25.2 billion total, the efficiency king. 31B dense, all 30.7 billion parameters active, the quality leader. E2B and E4B, mobile champions. Per layer embeddings let the 2.3 billion active model carry 5.1 billion parameters worth of depth. Near zero latency on Android, Jetson Nano, and Raspberry Pi. Built with the Google Pixel team, Qualcomm, and MediaTek. Full image and audio support, no remote API needed. 26B mixture of experts. Efficiency king. Only 3.8 billion parameters are active per token out of a 25.2 billion pool. Uses 128 experts with 8 plus 1 shared active per token. Runs unquantized bfloat 16 on a single H180GB GPU. 256K context window plus video support, ranks number 6 among open models. 31B dense, quality leader. All 30.7 billion parameters are active for maximum quality. Ranks number 3 on LM Arena behind the much larger GLM5 and Kimi 2.5. AIME 2026, 89.2% accuracy without tools. Codeforce's ELO of 2150, that's Grandmaster tier. Architecture, per layer embeddings, alternating attention, and dual row P. Per layer embeddings inject embedding signal at every transformer layer. Alternating attention switches between local windows of 512 to 1024 tokens and full global context. Dual row P uses standard rotary embeddings for local layers and proportional for global layers. Shared KV cache across the last n layers reduces memory pressure significantly. Vision and audio encoders. The vision encoder uses 2D position encoding with multidimensional row P. Configurable token budget from 70 to 1,120 tokens per image, trade accuracy for speed. A USM-style conformer audio encoder handles up to 30 seconds of audio. Video understanding is available on the 26B MOE and 31B dense models. Benchmarks, reasoning. MMLU Pro, 85.2% for 31B, 82.6% for 26B, and 69.4% for E4B AIME 2026. 89.2% for 31B and 88.3% for 26B, without any tools. GPQA Diamond, 84.3% for 31B, 82.3% for 26B Big Bench Extra Hard, 74.4%, a 4x jump from Gemma 3's 19.3%. Benchmarks, coding. Live Code Bench version 6, 80% for 31B and 77.1% for 26B Codeforce's ELO of 2150, Grandmaster tier, placing it in the top 1% of human competitive programmers. Strong at real-world software engineering tasks as well. Benchmarks, vision, and multimodal. MMMU Pro Vision, 76.9% for the 31B model. Math Vision, 85.6%. The model reads and solves visual math problems. The vision encoder parses diagrams, equations, and spatial data. The configurable token budget lets you tune accuracy versus speed for your use case. Agentic capabilities. Native function calling using OpenAI-style conventions. Schema-constrained JSON output generation. Reliable system instructions across multi-turn sessions. Works with LangChain, LlamaIndex, and CrewAI right out of the box. The Apache 2 moment. Previous Gemma releases had monthly active user caps and acceptable use restrictions. Apache 2 means no caps, full commercial freedom, and a patent grant. Over 100,000 Gemmaverse fine-tuned variants can now relicense freely. Google is betting on adoption over control. Who should use which model? E2B, always-on mobile AI, IoT, and battery-critical apps. E4B, flagship smartphones, Raspberry Pi, and edge analytics. 26B MOE, high-throughput production workloads on a single GPU. 31B dense, quality-critical tasks, fine-tuning, and research. Read the full guide at thinksmart.life/research/posts/Google Gemma for complete guide.